Good morning, children. This is Mohan Rao, Mathematics faculty. Today I am going to explain about the topic image of a point from the straight line. Next concept. We already discussed in the previous class put of the perpendicular. Now image of a point. What is image of a point? See here, for example, take a point P, x1, y1. So this is a line. This is a line. So the image of P is with respect to the line is QH comma K. So same distance. Take for example is in point M. Same distance also here maintained. So here QH comma K is the image of Px1 y1. So how to find the image of a point with respect to line? So that line is the midpoint between these two points. Now here, what is the formula? C statement. If h comma k is the image of x1 y1 with respect to line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0 is h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. How to prove this proof? See children, here we have to prove this one. So first of all, here P, what is the proof? Image of a point. H minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. We have to prove this one. Yes. Take first Px1 y1. Px1 y1. The image of P. Image of P. Q. H comma K. With respect to the line, what is the line? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 with respect to the line is h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. How to prove this one? Prove. See children, first we have to observe between P and Q, this is the midpoint. Exactly, M is the midpoint. Let M is the midpoint of PQ. Then M is equal to, how to find midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 now. x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. What is x1? x1 plus this is x1. h plus x1 by 2 comma k plus y1 by 2. This is the point. So here this point is lies on the line. Whenever this point lie on the line means it will satisfy, no? But this M lies on the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So satisfies a into what is x1 place? X place h plus x1 by 2 plus b into y1 please k plus y1 by 2 plus c is equal to 0. This M point is lies on the line, that M point is substitute in this line. A into h plus x1 by 2 plus b into k plus y1 by 2 plus c. Simplify ah plus ax1, what is LCM? bk plus by1 plus LCM 2 no? by 2, 2 into c, 2c is equal to 0. Yes, that is equal to ah plus ah plus bk plus ax1 plus by1 plus 2c is equal to 0. So this is the equation 1. Yes, just to that point we substitute in that line. So we have to observe here this PQ. This line perpendicular. So PQ perpendicular to L. So product of this slope minus 1. Now slope of PQ is equal to M1. So formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is y2? K minus y1 by h minus x1. And also slope of, what is the line? Slope of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is m2. Slope of line formula minus a by b, no? Minus a by b. So we know that this PQ is perpendicular to L. PQ is perpendicular to L. Therefore, slope of PQ into slope of L is equal to minus. Slope of PQ k minus y1 by h minus x1 into minus a by b is equal to minus cancel. K minus y1 by b is equal to, take that side, h minus x1 by a. So these are both are similar now. We can take, let k minus y1 by b is equal to h minus x1 by a is equal to, taken as some lambda. This we are taken as some lambda. From here find out lambda. Take k minus y1 by b is equal to lambda. From here k minus y1 is equal to b lambda. So take that side. K is equal to y1 plus b lambda. H value h1, h minus x1 by a is equal to lambda. H minus x1 is equal to a lambda. H is equal to x1 plus a lambda. So we found hk values. Yes, hk values. What is hk values? H is equal to x1 plus a lambda, k is equal to y1 plus b lambda. These two values substitute in this one, we can simplify. Now, therefore, h comma k, x1 plus a lambda, comma y1 plus b lambda. These two are substitute in one. Substitute in one, we get. So ah, what is ah value? x1 plus a lambda plus b, k value y1 plus b lambda plus ax1 plus by1 plus 2c is equal to 0. Multiplied ax1, a and a square lambda plus by1 plus b square lambda plus ax1 plus by1 plus 2c is equal to 0. SL multiply ax1 plus a square lambda by1 plus b square lambda plus ax1 plus by1 plus c is equal to 0. Now here a square lambda b square lambda you put here remaining term taking at the right hand side. So a square lambda plus b square lambda is equal to take that side ax1 plus ax1 first we simplify a square lambda plus b square lambda ax1 plus 2ax1 plus by1 2by1 plus 2c is equal to 0. Now take this all term right hand side a square lambda plus b square lambda is equal to minus 2ax1 2by1 2c is equal to 0. Now lambda common a square plus b square minus 2 common ax1 plus by1 plus c is equal to 0. C. Sorry. Therefore, lambda is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. This is the second equation. This is the first equation. From 1 and 2 equate. This is second. This is third. From 2, 3, how to write? This is also lambda, this is also lambda. This is also lambda. Therefore, h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. This is the image of a point formula. Copy children. See the problem here. Find the image of a point 1, 3 to with respect to the line x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0. Here we have to know. Here this is the line L. What is the line? X plus y plus 6 is equal to 0. This point 1, with respect to the point we have to find out h comma k. H comma. What is the image of a point formula? What is given first, right? Given point 1, 3. Line x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, what is image of a point? Image of a point formula. Children, image of a point h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. This is the only formula now. Image of a point. Now h minus, this is x1, y1. This is a, this is b, this is c. Therefore, h minus x1 1 by a value 1, k minus y1 3, b value 1, minus 2 into x plus y plus 6 by a square plus b square, 1 square plus 1 square, x1 value 1 plus 3, that is equal to h minus 1 by 1 is equal to k minus 3 by 1 is equal to minus 2 into 1 plus 3 4 plus 6 10 by 1 plus 1 2 cancel. Therefore, h minus 1 is equal to k minus 3 is equal to minus 10. Now equate, therefore h minus 1 is equal to minus 10 and k minus 3 is equal to minus 10. H is equal to minus 10 plus 1, k is equal to minus 10 plus 3. H is equal to minus 9, k is equal to minus 9. Therefore, h comma k is equal to minus 9 comma minus 7. This is the image of a point form. Yes children, once again h minus 1 by 1, k minus 3 by 1. Why? A value 1, b value 1. If you have doubt, write a value 1, b value 1, c value 6. Simplify like this. Okay, once copy children. Next, see children, next note points. First one, the image of x1, y1 with respect to x-axis. See this here, this is x-axis, y-axis. x1, y1 taken as a point. So this is x-axis now, this is y-axis. Image of x1, y1 with respect to x-axis, with respect to this x-axis. What is this image here? x1 is same, y1 minus y1. Y-axis, y, negative direction now. Negative. So what is this? x1 comma minus y1. This is the answer. Image of x1, y1 is x1 comma minus y1. Y1 value change. Next, image of x1, y1 with respect to y-axis. So same image of x1, y1 with respect to y-axis. So with respect to y-axis, what is this one? x1 and y, x value negative direction now. So minus x1 comma y1. Image of x1, y1 with respect to y-axis. Minus x1 comma y1. Yes children. Next, third one. Image of x1, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Yes, here image of x1, y1 with respect for x comma y. This is y is equal to x. With respect to y is equal to y. What is this image? Just interchange. Minus y1 minus x1 is minus y1. Sorry, just interchange. y1 comma with respect to y is equal to x now is y1 comma x1. Whenever with respect to x is equal to y, x is equal to y or y is equal to x passing through origin now in the first quadrant and third quadrant. Whenever this given, xy change into y comma x. If 2 comma 3 given with respect to y is equal to x, 3 comma 2, like this we can find. Next, x-axis, y-axis. Next, image of x1, y1 with respect to x. This is x is equal to minus y or y is equal to minus x. What about x1, y1? Here interchange is minus y1 minus x1. What is this? Minus y1 minus x1. So all the points, image of a points we can find by using this one. Children, so for example, take a point. If see the point here, find the point of, for example, find the point of 3 comma, find the image of 3 comma 2 with respect to x-axis. Image of 3 comma 2 with respect to x-axis. Actually, this 3 comma 2 with respect to x-axis now. X value 3, y value minus 2. So what is this? 3 comma minus 2. Y value change. Next here, for example, image of minus 5 comma minus 6 with respect to here. Next problem, xy axis, minus 5 comma minus 6 with respect to y axis. This is y axis now. What is the image? Image with respect to y axis. So y axis now, what value changed? Minus 5, y value change plus 6. 5 comma minus 5 comma 6. What is the direction? Sorry, plus 5 comma minus 6. because y positive direction, x value positive direction, y value negative direction. Yes, minus 5 comma 6 third quadrant. So image with respect to y axis, so x value does not change, x value does not change, y value will change, minus 5 comma 6, sorry, minus 5 comma 6. We can take any point, other point. Take any point, for example 1 comma 2. What is the image with respect to x axis, y axis? 1 comma 2. With respect to y axis, 1 comma 2. What is the sign of x axis? Minus 1 comma. Sign only change. Minus 1 comma, like this. Okay. So we can do more problems by using this formula. Yes, children. So using this image of a point, we can do so many problems. Thank you, children. Thank you.